We are creating a beautiful berry pie with a sleepy fox on top of it. First, we're going to trace and cut out the face of our fox. We're using our paste for this. And we're going to make the whole of the fox with it. We're cutting the shape of all the different parts to create the perfect, amazing looking sleepy fox. Flatten the edges. Keep building on all the parts to add dimension. It's already starting to look so cute. Add all the details. We're adding texture as well to make him look furry. We're carving the little paws. And we're going to be adding colors using pigments. We're using a brush for this, adding shadows and contrasts. This sleepy fox is so adorable. After cooking our different parts, we're going to add some white details as well to add some more contrast. How adorable are they? Now onto the actual pie. Put the paste into a mold. Preheat it. Then we're going to use some lemons, cut them in half, and squeeze the juice out. Mix that with sugar and eggs. Mix well. We're going to incorporate that as the base of our pie. And add your fruits on top of it. And now, time to add all the details of the fox. We created a mini cloud at the top and a big cloud at the bottom where we're going to put our fox. We also added a circle that we're going to use as a moon and dropped some white so we can swirl it with the berries. And we're going to put our fox onto the base of the clouds. We're going to mix the top of the white and the fruits, and here's the result. Absolutely amazing.